Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make きゅうりとわかめのサラダ. Cucumber season has come, and I started to see mountains of cucumbers at farmers market. So today, I'm making very easy salad using some cucumbers. Cucumbers cool your body, so it's perfect for hot summer days. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this きゅうりとわかめのサラダ. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some cucumbers, 2 or 3. 8 grams of dried wakame seaweed. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock. Half a teaspoon of garlic paste. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I'm going to rehydrate the wakame seaweed first. These small bits spread out really big when it's rehydrated. So make sure to use plenty of water. Just cold water. And leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut the cucumbers. Cut both ends off. Using the side of the knife, smash it. Then, let's cut it into 4. By smashing it, you can create this rough surface, and the dressing can stay well. Let's put it in the bowl. Same for the other cucumber. Wakame seaweed is rehydrated. Drain it. Squeeze it really well and add to the bowl. So take some and squeeze. Let's add all these seasonings. Salt, the soup stock, sesame oil, garlic paste, and the sesame seeds. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Can't be easier. Let's serve in the bowl. And きゅうりとわかめのサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's very refreshing, and I love the crunchy texture of the cucumbers. The hint of garlic makes it so flavorful, and I said this is for 4 servings, but I think I can have it all. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. きゅうりとわかめのサラダ is the side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about インゲンと玉ねぎのかき揚げ for the main? I think I want to have something meaty, so let's have 豚肉のピリ辛スープ here. Plain rice here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.